The Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition phones are a hit with people looking for good features at a lower price. The upcoming S24 Fan Edition is likely to keep up this trend by offering a lot for less money, just like its predecessors. If you haven't heard yet, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is reportedly launching in mid-July, as Samsung is gearing up for its Galaxy Unpacked event. While past Fan Edition models have been known for their value, a new report suggests that this upcoming device might have a significant difference compared to its predecessors. The report comes from Chinese social media Weibo, from which you can get a lot of accurate leaks. According to it, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will be the largest Fan Edition device in the company's portfolio. Looking back, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition was a relatively small-sized phone, especially when you compare it with the Ultra phones from the company. There have been reports in the past that suggested that the S24 Fan Edition will be 6.1 inch in size like its predecessor. But this new report is hinting at a change of direction. The latest report suggests a change in size for the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Instead of the expected 6.1-inch display, it's rumored to feature a larger 6.7-inch screen. If this turns out to be true, it would make the upcoming device the largest Fan Edition model from Samsung yet. With this bigger screen, the affordable S24 Fan Edition could provide a similar display experience to the Galaxy S24 Plus, but at a more budget-friendly price. While the 6.7-inch display rumor is intriguing, there's a conflicting report from Alexa suggesting a more standard 6.1-inch AMOLED panel. This size aligns better with the typical Fan Edition approach of offering a slightly smaller phone than the regular S24, which has a 6.2-inch display. Of course, Alexa wasn't sure about the information when the tipster shared the display information. The S24 Fan Edition is expected to have top-notch specs, possibly rivaling the pricier S24 models. According to Alexa, it could feature either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chipset, with the choice likely depending on your location. This aligns with Samsung's practice of using different chipsets in different regions like Snapdragon in the US and Exynos elsewhere. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.